How to fix Instagram not letting you log in. If you're trying to log into Instagram using another account, another profile, and it gives some type of error, first we have to decide why it is not letting you log in. Maybe the account has two-factor authentication enabled, or maybe other options like it couldn't verify that you were the owner, maybe it was an incorrect password, or maybe the application or your internet has some issues. First off, we're going to start with the very basic internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. After that, you can long press the Instagram app icon if you're using Android. Tap on the eye icon to tap into your app info page. Once here, scroll down to storage. Once you go to storage, go to clear cache and clear the data. After that, try to log into your account. Check why it is not letting you log in. If it's due to an incorrect password, tap on the option called Forgot Password and enter your email address, and then you can choose to reset your password. So enter the email associated with the Instagram, then tap on Continue. Then after you've done so, you'll be able to enter your new email and password, and once done, you'll be able to enter the code sent to your email. Once done, you'll be able to choose a new password without having to remember your old password. Also check if your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, because sometimes that could also be the cause. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.